The Sounds of Japan. Hi everyone, welcome to the Sounds of Japan. I'm Shin, DJ tour guide and your buddy on this adventure through Japan. This channel is all about Japan. As a tour guide, I'll be bringing you hot, rocking story, my personal experience, insider tips, and all the coolest info about Japan. So turn off the volume and stay with me till the end. Hey, it's your boy Shin. So guess what? I opened a dating app for the first time in ages. And somehow I kept matching with lady boys. Like a lot. No hate, just wow. That was unexpected. Anyway, Japan is in a golden week now. Yay. Up to 11 days off, but with the weak yen, overseas trip are expensive. So everyone traveling inside Japan. Sounds fun, but yep. Get ready for traffic jams and a packed tourist spot. Me, I'm staying home. Why? Because I'm on the serious diet mission. I started 4 months medical weight loss program in January. And guess what? I've lost 14 kilograms so far. No cake, no snack. Yes, I am vegetable addict. Now why I'm doing this, you ask it? Easy answer. I wanna be hot. That's it, pure, shallow 46 years old single guy motivation. I've failed every diet before, but this time it's different. Why? Because it was expensive. Like a wallet crying expensive. So now I have no choice but to succeed. Risk plus regret equal motivation. Baby. It's called a heartbreaking cry of a 46 years old bachelor. Well, let's get on with this week. In this corner, I pick up interesting article about Japan, share it with you, and we think about it together. It's like a mini news show. Are you ready to get it? So, let's check out today's story is why does the Japanese rock singer keep challenging himself? A Japanese rock singer has shaped the nation music since the late 1980s. His strong lyrics and expressive voice won deep respect, especially from fans in their 40s to 60s. Over time, he became a symbol of modern Japanese rock and continues to inspire listeners across generations. In 2024, his band made a long-awaited appearance on a national music show, performing major hits and gaining wide attention. That same year, he released a solo album after 10 years, showing a new sound, different from his band's usual style. He is also part of a unit with an American guitarist, and they plan to tour in 2025. His band will also perform the main theme song for a new animated movie, helping them reach wider audiences. This project shows his desire to grow as an artist. The singer has said he wants to try many things while he still can sing. His effort in solo, groups, and band work reflect his drive to stay active. His music connected deeply with fans, both old and young. You know what? I really want to support this singer. I always cheer for people who try something new. Especially when they get older, it takes even more courage. I respect that lots. Actually, I used to be a band singer too. I did voice training for 8 years, and when I was young, I sent audition tapes everywhere, dreaming of becoming a singer. It's my life. One judge once said, "Your singing is okay, but your talking is more fun." I didn't know how to feel back then, happy or sad. But now I think it's my thought about music have changing. Back in training, I was always thinking, how can I sing with a deep, strong voice using my belly, not my throat? I listened to lots of soul and R&B back then, but these days I think in singing it's more about feeling it. Now listen to more hard rock, something with passion and energy. I've changed a lot. Well, expect my taste in women. That's always changing. But this singer kept going without changing their style. That's probably why they got this chance, and they are still pushing it forward. That's really amazing. Not many people can do that. As for me, I gave up on the dream of being a singer. Now I just sing my heart out at karaoke. But hey, one dream I still have is to make a band with people from different countries and singing in the bar somewhere overseas. That's on my bucket list. You know, age is just a number, and I really believe this. It's never too late to chase your dream. Do you have any throat lozenges? You finally arrived in Japan. But where should you go? So many choices, so little time. Lost in a sea of information, aren't you? Worry not, my friend. In this special corner, your humble tour guide will take you by the hand and lead you to the must-see places and the must-try experience of Japan. So today is Okutama area. Yay, yay, yay! Welcome to one of my favorite hidden gems in Tokyo. Yes, the point is Tokyo. But hold on, this doesn't look like the Tokyo you know. No neon light, no busy crosswalk. Instead, welcome to the calm, green, and peaceful town of Okutama. You know that sounds Okutama. Beautiful sound. Just under 2 hours from the heat of the city, Okutama feels like a different world. with a population of just around 5,000. It's quite escape from the chaos, perfect for traveler looking for something off the beaten path. Surrounded by forests, rivers, lakes, and even mysterious limestone caves, this area offers breathtaking nature year-round. Fancy a soak in a hot spring, or maybe a cozy cafe by the river? You'll find both here: fishing, hiking, relaxing. Okutama lets you do it all, and without breaking the bank. The people, super chill. Oh, and for all the wasabi lovers out there, this is your paradise. Yes, this region is a home to authentic Japanese grown wasabi, the real deal. You can see it, touch it, and taste its green, spicy kick. Love hiking? Okutama offers trail for all levels, from beginner to experienced trekker, and the best time to visit autumn. Say autumn. The fall foliage here is pure magic. Crimson, gold, and everything in between. So, what do you think? Starting to feel like packing your bags, aren't you? Japanese, a language of beauty, elegance, and grace. It sounds soft, its rhythm smooth and within each phrase lies a deep sense of respect and kindness. In this corner, I'll introduce a short Japanese phrase each time, explain its meaning, and in the end, we will say it together. A little moment of learning, a little journey into the heart of Japanese languages. Are you ready? Let's begin. Today's word is ごめんなさい and
申し訳ございません。
This phrase that Japanese people often use. The English meaning is ごめんなさい equal sorry. My bad. I am sorry. This is most of you say ごめんなさい by Japanese people. Okay, several. For example, I called you earlier. Oh, sorry, I didn't notice it. I called you earlier. ごめんなさい. I didn't notice it. Okay, second, for example, hey, you forgot to turn the AC off before you went to the bed yesterday. Oh, my bad. I totally forgot. ごめんなさい. I totally forgot. And last one. I'm sorry I didn't call you earlier. ごめんなさい. I didn't call you earlier. Okay, next. 申し訳ございません. The meaning is I apologize for. I apologize for. Okay, so this is a very useful for Japanese people. Yeah, when I having something business scene most of the time. I said many times to my client, some customer. 申し訳ございません. That was like a beginning of email, apologizing, and then also when I met the first say, 大変申し訳ございません. That was like a more formal, yes. That was like a first attitude. Okay, this is for example too. We apologize for any trouble caused. 申し訳ございません for any trouble caused. Okay. We sincerely apologize for the inconvenience. 申し訳ございません for your inconvenience. Okay, are you ready to get it? Please, after me. ごめんなさい。ごめんなさい。Is next.
申し訳ございません。申し訳ございません。
Alright, Fork. Here is something interesting about Japanese culture. Have you noticed how often people say sorry? It's like a second nature. But here is the thing, they are not always really apologizing. A lot of the time, especially in business, it's more about calming the situation, keeping things smooth and showing respect. It's like a social oil to keep the engine running. And then there the word すみません. Oh boy, that one deserved its own episode. Stay tuned for that is the next lesson. Alright, work. We will reach the end of this week's show. Hope you enjoyed all the segments. For me, so it's a golden week here in Japan, and I decided to hop on the Tokyo Yurikamo monorail and take a little trip and out to Odaiba and Toyosu. Have you ever had it? Yep. It was a bit crowded, but the weather was perfect. And I snapped a bunch of great photos and videos. One thing is I noticed compared to places like Shinjuku or Shibuya, there are way fewer foreign tourists in Odaiba. Maybe it's still a hidden gem, or just not heavily promoted. From the monorail, the view of Tokyo Bay and the futuristic skyline is amazing. There are a ton of events happening around Odaiba, and honestly, you could easily spend a whole day there. It's totally worth it. And one thing I gotta say as a local food in Japan, it's always get seriously. I rarely even think it. That wasn't great. It just doesn't happen here. Don't you agree? Going forward, I want to highlight more of Japanese food culture. Yes, I mean even the stuff at 7-Eleven is top tier. So stay tuned. Your taste bands are in for a treat. Alright, see you next time. The watchword is, of course, the Sounds of Japan. Bye.